Hi, my name is Hannah and I go to school at Iowa State University where I study culinary food science. That means when I get older, I get to make food for people and use science to make it happen. When I graduate, I can have lots of jobs with this degree. But what I want to do when I get older is make ice cream for everybody to eat. Last summer, I entered at the Iowa State University Creamery and did product development. So I got to work for the creamery at my school and make new ice cream flavors. To make those new flavors, I sent out a survey to people who go to Iowa State and who shop at the ISU Creamery. And they told me what kind of ice cream flavors they like to eat. Then I picked some of those flavors and got to try them out. I had to test a bunch of different strengths of flavors to make sure it wasn't too strong, but they could still tell what kind of ice cream you were eating. I also had to experiment with the toppings we put into the ice cream. We call those toppings inclusions. I had to ask my coworkers to help me make sure I made the ice cream right, because some of the flavors I didn't like, but the other people did, so I needed their help. It was important that I reached out and had other people help me, because if I only made ice cream flavors that I liked, then I might make ice cream that people wouldn't eat. But the whole purpose of a creamery is for people to come and eat delicious dairy products like ice cream. This summer, I will get to work for another ice cream company called Wells Enterprises. Wells is the ice cream company that makes Blue Bunny ice cream, Halo Top, and Bomb Pops. I can't wait to make new ice cream flavors for everybody to try. Now I get to read this book to you about how you can make ice cream at home in a bag. So if you love ice cream, make sure to listen up. How to Make Ice Cream in a Bag by Barbara Albert. Getting started. Yum! On a hot day, ice cream is a great treat. You can make your own ice cream in a bag, then let science tickle your taste buds. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup of half and half, 1 sandwich-sized zip-top bag, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla, 3 cups of ice, 1 gallon-sized zip-top bag, 1/3 cup of kosher salt, a towel, a timer, and a spoon. Now, looking at the amount of salt and sugar we have here, that is a lot of salt. Do you think if we put that salt into our ice cream, it'll taste sweet? I don't think so, but let's keep reading and we'll find out. Making ice cream in a bag. Pour half and half into the sandwich bag. Add the sugar and vanilla. Squeeze out the air. Seal the bag. You have your cream. Now let's ice it. Put the ice into the gallon bag. Pour salt into the bag with the ice. Put the sandwich bag into the gallon bag. Seal the bag tight. So, did we end up putting the salt in with the ice cream? No, we didn't. We'll find out why later. Let's keep reading. Wrap the bag in a towel. Start the timer. Shake the bag hard. Shake it for 6 minutes. Wait 5 more minutes. Now, grab your spoon and eat the ice cream right out of the bag. How does it work? Water turns to ice at its freezing point. That's 32 degrees Fahrenheit. It goes from liquid water to solid water, or ice. Cream mixture has more than water in it. It must get below water's freezing point to turn solid. The salt is the secret. Adding salt to the bag of ice cools the cream below freezing. So, what was the purpose of the salt? Yeah, we put it in the ice to make it colder. not into the sweet ice cream. Shaking spreads the salt and melts the ice. Your ice cream cools evenly. It gets smooth. Shaking also adds air. This makes the ice cream light. Yum. The half and half changed into a solid, and the ice changed into a liquid. What other things change in one of these ways? We invite you to now try making your own ice cream at home and come into the ISU Creamery to try the flavors that I made last summer. If you want to make your own flavors, then please watch our website for our children's coloring contest that we'll host this summer. Try to think about what your favorite flavors are. Mine is monster cookie, cookie dough, peanut butter, and dark chocolate. But maybe you like ice cream with fruit or cookies and cream. Be creative, and thank you for listening. I can't wait to see what you come up with. All rights reserved, used with permission from Capstone Publishing, Mankato, Minnesota.